Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be looking at task 21g. The question says open the file task21g.htm, display the table with a single solid border 4 pixels wide and with internal grid lines 2 pixels wide. Okay, so I'm just going to take the question one after another. So first of all, we're going to take care of this, making the table, displaying the table with a single line. Okay. So of course, let's open our page to inspect the page. Okay. So I'm going to open this in a browser. Okay. So this is how our web page will look like. Okay. So you find out that by default, once you make the border visible, the border is going to be 2 lines, by default 2 lines. So what we want is to make the border to be a single line. Okay, so we go to our code, we right click and then open with notepad. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use the border collapse property. Okay, so I'm going to go to my starting tag of the table, as we've done in previous tasks. So I'm just going to go there and then have border collapse, border hyphen collapse. Okay, I'm going to have it as collapse, so the property, the value will be collapse. So I want a single line as the border, so I will save that and then go back to my browser and then refresh this. As you can see, all the borders, they are now single. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to make the outside border to be 4 pixels wide. Okay, so of course the solid border, the table, we're going to look at this will be handled within the table border. Okay, so solid border 4 pixels wide. So I'm going to go back to my code and then also now add the border. Okay, the kind of border I want is solid. Okay, so I want it solid and also space 4 pixels. I want it 4 pixels and then my colon, then I'll save that. Okay, so we'll go back to our code again and then refresh and see the changes. As you can see, the outside border of the table is now 4 pixels wide. Okay, so it's not thicker. So we're going to handle the next one now. The next one will be the with internal grid lines. So when we talk about internal grid lines, very, very important, this is a keyword. Internal grid line means the TH and TD. That's what should come into your mind when you hear internal grid lines. We talk about the TH and TD tags. Okay, so we're going to make the change now to the TD and the TH tag. But first of all, I want to handle the head, the head part of the table, so that you see how it will look like. So we're going to make it 2 pixels. Okay, so I'll go to my code. So I will locate where the head starts. Okay, so my interest will be on the TD, right? So I'm going to have within the TD, I'm going to introduce the same style, equal sign. I'm going to have my. So within that, I'm going to have my border solid, and then of course this time around 2 pixels. Okay, that's what I'm going to have within the border. So I expect the border, the cell that holds the fruit, to be thicker by 2 pixels. So I'm going to save this and then go back to my page and then refresh my page. As you can see, here becomes what thicker. Okay, so which is the TH within the head. Okay, so I'm going to handle the one that holds the price. Okay, where are you? So I'm going to simply copy this. Okay, so this is the price here. So I'm going to just within the starting tag of the TH. So I'll paste that right there and then save my page and then go back to my browser, refresh that, and then you have something a little odd. Okay, so I'll go back to my I'll go back to my I'll go back and see where my problem is. Okay, so now I know where my problem is. As you can see, I did not close this with a quotation mark. Okay, basically, so I'm going to put that speech mark, the closing quotation mark there, and then save that, and then go back again and then refresh and then see what I expect. So so which means that, okay, so the price now has a border. Okay, so what I'm going to do again is to handle that of the footer, this area, so just to make it clearer right now, so before we now handle the rest of the borders. Okay, so I'm going to go back, copy the same code. Let me just copy this right now so it won't give me an error result. So I'll copy that and then go to the header. I'm interested in the TD this time. So within the TD, I'm going to add this. Okay, this time around, I'm going to add to the property inside there. So I'm going to just copy this. That's what I need. So within here, I'm going to just paste it right there. Okay, for that solid 2 pixels, great. So I'm going to save that. And then refresh my page and see the effect. As you can see, that is within the footer, right? So let me handle the other cell within the footer, and then I'll just do a little faster now. So I'm going to, okay, I've copied that already. So this is the cell that holds the 65,560. So within that property, I'm going to have the colon, since I want to have more than one property. So I'm going to put that right there. So the code here is the code I just added. Okay, so of course everything is within a split mark, right? So I'm going to save that and then go back and refresh. So now you've gotten the gist on how to add border within a TD and TH. So I'm going to handle all the TDs within this within the body tag of the table. Okay, so we go back right there. So I'll look for all of them now. So here I'm going to have, this, and then paste what I have, border, of course this. I'm going to also have the colon again and then paste that. So I'm going to, on all the TDs now, I'm going to introduce the border 2 pixels. Okay, so I'll paste that, and of course do the same thing here. Okay, if you want, you can put your space, it doesn't matter. I can have, okay, the TD here also. My TD here, I want to go fast now, so I don't want this bit too long. I'm gonna have this and then paste this, have that, paste that right there. All the TDs, okay, I still have this, paste that, but I think another, do this. I think they're done. So I'm going to save. I'm going to save everything. Okay. So I'll go back to my browser and then refresh, and everything I've got 2 pixels within the TD and the TH. Got 2 pixels solid border, and then the outside border is now 4 pixels. Okay, so which means the TD itself, the table border is 4 pixels, while the TD, which is the internal grid lines, they have 2 pixels. Okay, and I think that's about it for the question. Okay, so thank you for watching. First of all, I'll make the file, the 21G file. I'm going to make it available in the description below. Okay, and also I know that we're doing something, we're affecting all these changes within the HTML. We're going to look at CSS, so that you see how to do some of these things just with just one line of code. You're going to have the whole effect that you want. But for now, make sure you know how to do this. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, Take care.